I don't know what to say other than thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for everybody that has been part of this journey. I've only been here at Fabens for 10 years. This is my 10th year. Thank you, Ms. Gonzalez. She brought me into this amazing community, and I am forever grateful that I started my career here. Thank you to my mentors, Ms. Madrid. She was one of my first mentors when I started here. Ms. Pineda was one of my mentors also when I became a 5th grade teacher. I started as a 4th grade teacher, so thank you for that. Thank you, everybody. Thank you to everybody that has supported me, that has helped me, that has answered questions along the way, that has worked with me side by side whenever I go on doing crazy things like doing the yearbook, doing Destination Imagination. Thank you to my partner over there, my partner in crime, Yvonne. Thank you very much for always being there. Thank you to everybody. Thank you very much to the Fabens community for taking me in, and I don't know what to say other than thank you. Thank you, Ms. Reese. Thank you. Thank you.